How to turn off autofile contact forms on your Instagram account. Today guys I will show you how to turn off this option. Just follow the video until the end. Go first and you open your Instagram application, then you go down and you open your profile, then go to this three line here at the top of the screen, then go to settings, and then guys uh, go to account and go then to browser settings, and will find autofile contact forms. You will turn off this option by clicking on this place like that, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.